Okay guys, so we just came back from Costco. We actually have a business center that's close to us, so we tend to just kind of pop in there instead of going to like the bigger like store. But yeah, so if you guys see things here that you may not find in like the regular Costco, that's why. It's because we have a business center. But yeah, so let me show you what I got. These are totally keto friendly. Really great finds. I think we paid for everything. We had a lot of meat. I think the grand total was maybe, I think 90 bucks. So, all right, let me go ahead and show you. First thing we got is this boneless pork belly. If you guys are keto, you know this is like a staple. So this is obviously going to be more than one meal. And we're planning on doing like a taco bowl or something like that with these. So this is really, really high in fat, so super keto friendly. So we got a big old slab of that. We got some ground beef. This is the lean ground beef, 80-20 mix. So we picked that up. Obviously, this will be cut into a couple meals. I know a lot of people said, oh, you get a lot of meat. Yeah, it's easier to buy the meat in bulk and then just add to it. Like I could always come up with a side. It's always the big, like our protein is always the more expensive. So when we find it on sale, we just pick it up. We do have a deep freeze downstairs in the basement. So, all right, yeah, so this would probably be about 3 meals for us. Okay, this stuff grossed me out, but Leo picked it up and he said it's going to taste good. I'm going to believe him. I'll let you guys know, but it's beef cheek meat. He was going to buy the cow tongue and I almost threw up. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please do so because I took a picture of it and it was disgusting. But anyways, I don't know. What are you planning to do with this?
I don't know yet.
He doesn't know yet. I will update you guys if it's good or not. But yeah, and then we got 2 bottles of water. I really need to get my water in. I'm really down to strict macros right now. I recalculated everything. I am doing intermittent fasting and I'm just trying to up my game. So yeah, we got 2 cases of water. We did get this Clarprum 0-calorie water. It's a sparkling water. I don't like this, but Leo does. There's lemon and lime flavoring, 0 carbs, 0 everything. It's very, it's just like LaCroix. Yeah, but it's cheaper. So, yeah, I do know they have this at the regular Costco centers too. So,
No, they don't.
The Clarplum? No? Oh, I lied.
Not all of them.
Maybe. I don't know. We might look out and find it. I don't know. We did get this.
But they can try the Kirkland variety.
The Kirkland variety pack, he says. Oh my gosh. He said the Kirkland variety one is good. I don't know. I don't like that stuff, so I don't know. Pasteurized cream cheese, 2 carbs per serving. This is 3 pounds. I just cut it up and use it accordingly. I use this for the pancakes. We cook with it. Even if some goes bad, it's still cheaper because I think this is only $5. So, yeah, got that. The kids absolutely love this Special K Red Berry cereal. Not keto, but my girls love it. And they like it for cereal or like a snack or whatever with some almond milk. So I picked this up for them because it was on coupon. I'm trying to remain at Costco real quick. Here is, we got a big thing of Daisy sour cream. And I believe this sour cream is only 1 carb. The Daisy brand is only 1 carb. Thank you to the subscriber who told me that. All the other brands I've used, like off-brands, were 2 carbs. So Daisy sour cream is 1 carb per serving. We did get some Chihuahua cheese. This is like queso cheese. We have it all the time. If you guys are not familiar, it's kind of like what they have on the tacos at the restaurants and stuff like that. Yeah. Queso does mean cheese. I do know that. That's why you're laughing at me. But it says queso Chihuahua. So Chihuahua cheese. But I want to show you guys some macros real quick. So, all right. So if you can see, 8 grams of fat, 0 carb, and 5 protein. So really, really keto friendly. If you wanted to do like a low carb tortilla and put maybe a couple pieces of ham with this is really good. Or if you wanted to skip the tortilla, I've done sliced ham, which you have to be careful for because some of those sliced hams, because they are cured in sugar, do have some carbs. But what I would do is I'll take a couple slices of them and I'll take a sliver of this and I will fry them in there and make like fried ham roll-ups. It's really, really good. If you wanted to put it with your eggs, I mean, obviously the possibilities are endless, but those ham roll-ups, with the fried cheese in there are delicious. And then we got a big old bag of cucumbers because I like them. And I like to have them with some lime and tahini, or if you wanted to make a little dip with them or put them on your salad. The girls like them. They're just legit. So that is going to be from Costco. And then we went to a produce market. We're going to do like taco bowls with the pork belly. So we got some heads of lettuce because I like to have it like shredded. I got my girls some halos. So, and I'm going to make a green salsa with like the tomatillos. So I picked that up. I got cilantro, some fresh cilantro. We got a couple things of onions just to have for cooking. I got some tomatoes, but to go inside my salsa, I'm going to do some cilantro. I got the serrano peppers. So what I do is I roast the peppers, and then I got the tomatillos. So I'm going to roast those, and obviously add the cilantro, and then I'm going to blend them all up with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic, and that would really be it. And that'll be like 0 carbs. So yeah. And then I picked up a pack of chorizo sausage. We like to dry this out a little bit, and so what we do is we take it out of the pack and we just kind of leave it in the fridge, and it gets a little bit dried out, and then we fry it up with some eggs. It's really, really good. Chorizo is one of those things that is super keto friendly. It does have a lot of fat in there, so be careful. And I always choose to do like a fresh homemade chorizo because if you get like the Supremo one or whatever, those actually have a ton of carbs in them because of whatever they pack in them to preserve it. So be careful. If you can get like a fresh one from your market, I would always opt for that.